Lucian, get down! Don't embarrass Aurelian!
Another Valwen brat?
Come on. You really think you can challenge me? Ah!
He dodged it!
How's that possible?
So, is this all you've got? No one's ever slipped away from Prince Bjorgen's Thunderhammer! Is this kid lucky or something? Glory, my king. Lucian is amazing! Ha! That's my son!
Really Lucian Vailwyn? He really kept his power under wraps.
Tell me I'm dreaming. Lucian beat Prince Bjork?
Is that the same guy who couldn't even remember a Seaglade spell?
Lucian, how?
I thought I made him magicless. How is this possible? I thought I made him magicless. How is this possible?
Stand witness! That's my son, Lucian! A true Valven!
Mother!
Morgana, are you all right?
Mother, what's come over you?
Do not cry, my dear.
I know how much you've sacrificed for Lucian. Look at him now. It was all worth it.
Anna, I knew it. Our son, he could never be a failure.
You little bastard! You've been fooling us all these years, haven't you?